Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to TLab family. How's everybody doing? It's gonna be a nice evening. We're gonna do a lot of altcoins, not a lot of altcoins. We're gonna look at what what's happening with altcoins. We're gonna see what's happening in Bitcoin. Is this the bottom? It might be that. Who knows? I should probably shield this video to other people. The Central Plan, what's up? Hey TLA, at least we got 2 TFN club members, we can chat. Ron is in the chat as well. Hey man, how you doing? So what do you want to see first, guys? You want to talk about Bitcoin? You think it's at the bottom? I know what the Central Plan want to see. This holiday, Ron. You're always on holiday, man. You're always on holiday. I know what the Central Plant wants to see. Maybe some kind of falling wedge, man. Maybe some kind of falling wedge, and maybe it's gonna break out to the upside, out of the falling wedge. Maybe we're gonna see that. We're gonna see that. I think we should take a look at alts first and look at BTC after the crowd start feeling it. Yeah, the crowd doesn't matter that much. I mean, we are doing this for the TFNs club, so we are doing the stream for you guys. So how many people watch this? They can re-watch later. It's fine. Cardano falling below 20 moving average. Is it gonna close below 20 moving average? Now, too many lines on the screen. There is the 20 moving average right over here, and the question is, are we gonna close below the level? Are we gonna close below this level today? If we close below 20 moving average, man, I'm not quite sure how this is gonna happen. I mean, we can close and then down here, and then it's bam, explode towards the upside. But that doesn't tell you much. That doesn't tell you much. The best we got right now is this falling wedge here. Yeah, it is definitely some kind of trend line down here, something like this up here. There is definitely some kind of falling wedge, and we are waiting for some kind of breakout up here, right? That would be nice. Let's go to YouTube and check out that up here. Is music fine, guys? Is it too loud? Hussam in Patreon chat wants to check out CSPR. It's on Huobi. What are you doing on Huobi, man? What are you doing on Huobi? Nobody's on Huobi. Nobody's on Huobi. Music is fine. It's nice. Okay. Let's see here. So somebody wants me to check this out, so let's check it out. Let's see. It looks like some kind of button, but this is the 21st September, this is 12th July. Do we have more data for CSPR? OKEX? Nah. CSPR, OKEX, Casper Labs. That is this the one? Yeah, it's the same. This the same one. This is 11th May. 11 May, so CSPR, so 11 May, it's released on 11 May, so this is the full chart. Okay, so that's fine, so we can work with this, right? We can work with this. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see here. Went down, it looks good on the weekly time frame. It looks fine. It's above 10 and 20 moving average right now. It got above, it's set above right now, moving towards upside. It looks good on the weekly time frame, so that's nice. We like when you are on the weekly time frame above moving averages, shows bullishness. Batch Guitar, welcome to Batch Guitar. Batch is a member. Yeah, what's up? What's up with that? Maybe his renewal just came up, and he joined. Is there an inverse head and shoulders? Yeah, I saw the moon video. I didn't actually look at the moon video, but I did see the title, inverse head and shoulders. So we're gonna check it out. Good evening, DJ AV Styling. How's everybody doing? I like, when we have a lot of TFN clubs in the chat. So we're gonna keep on doing the streams, man. We're gonna keep on doing the streams for TFN club members. Yeah. you know, it's a lot more cozy, it's a lot more nice. Unfortunately, you know, not everybody can join, but you know, the chat doesn't get you know, lost in the spam. I think I need to change my card details. Oh, how good you think you did that? So let's see up here. Oh, it's about to break out on the weekly time frame. That's nice. That's very nice. It's about to break out on the weekly time frame. Let's see down here. Yeah, the bottom line is not that important, but it looks like it's about to break out, which is very, very nice. Let's see down here on the daily time frame. Yeah, this looks very nice, but it's on Huobi. Like, who has Huobi? Who is on Huobi? Like, you know, who's on Huobi? 58 on the daily. It looks very nice. It looks very good. It looks like it wants to go towards the upside. So, you know, I'm just gonna, you know, copy this and say to him. I'm just gonna copy chart and paste it in the chat. It is available by Gate.io. Send. Looks good. Maybe about to break out. Everything seems fine. Look for breakout. Look for breakout, because this actually looks nice. I mean, I wish this was on Binance or something like that, because it looks like legitimately very, very good. This chart looks very, very good. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go up here. Like right now, it looks like, I mean, it is so close to the breakout. It looks very good. This is very nice. But, you know, unfortunately, CSPR, it's only on, you know, Huobi, OKX, Sandex, OKX. Let's see here. Maybe it's on something else. CoinCap, let's go. Not this one, not this one. We don't like, we use this one up here. And let's go to CSPR. CSPR, whatever that is. Hope all doing well. I'm doing fine, man. These streams are nice. Yeah, these streams are nice. I like, you know, evening streams are okay. We can look at some, you know, altcoins, check what's happening, Bitcoin, you know, just chill. That's nice. CSPR, was it CSPR? Casper. Let's see Casper 0.1. Yeah, nice. Let's see on the market up here. Yeah, it's on Gate.io. CoinList Pro. What's CoinList Pro? It's not. UB Hotbit. It's on a Hotbit. It's actually on a lot of exchanges, Max. But you know, I got nothing of this. I think Hotbit is actually a decent exchange. Let me see here. Is Hotbit one of these? Let's see, exchange. There was one exchange that I really liked, you know, the user interface of, and maybe it's this one. No, it's not this one. CSPR. They got ETF 3L 3S short long. What's the volume on this thing, man? 261k. It's pretty low volume actually. Wow, the difference is in like staggering. Like, yeah, it's not moving. Like the volume is so low. Spread 2.43%. The volume is very, very low on this. The volume is like ridiculously low. This is the only reason why you should be looking at the order book, and that's not, you know, a lot of people are looking at order book to try to find, you know, walls and stuff like that, where, you know, the support and stuff is. No, you should only look at the order book to see, you know, if you have to buy 1 million of this, right? How much of the order book do you have to, you know, eat up to buy that much? I always wonder, why don't you just make bookmarks so you can click it to open the website, for example, YouTube channel. I don't know, I was just thinking that I could probably put some bookmarks here. Bookmarks. Show bookmarks. Yeah, there we go. I don't want to do bookmarks, you know, it's easier to see. You know, I type fast, it's okay. Sunday swap on ADA soon this week or next, I think. Yeah, Sunday swap, but will that actually help ADA? I know. Is the Sunday swap meme as good as Africa meme? You know, there is always that. Let's check out Bitcoin right now. What's happening in Bitcoin, guys? Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin? Let's go to the 1 hourly Bitcoin. Down here, yeah. So if you remember from today's Bitcoin daily live stream earlier today, we were just up here, and as soon as I actually closed the stream, this actually dumped on the downside. So we had this rising wedge up here. The target was down here at 63.5. Hit it on the dollar very nicely down here. Hit the target, pumped back up, and you can see here that it's not getting rejected on the downside, guys. It's not getting rejected. It is below the moving averages, but it is hugging the moving averages from the from both sides. It is doing this over here. This is a very bullish move, guys. This is a very bullish move, so I like that. Just do Control D. What does Control D do? Control D. Oh, okay. It adds bookmarks. There is bookmarks. So Bitcoin looks fine, guys. Bitcoin looks fine. See, support. Like if you do this 2 more times, you remember. Don't make me bring out the TLA rule, but if you do this 2 more times, like 6 touches on the same line, it's not getting broken, guys. It's not getting broken. So it does look nice. It does look nice, and I think right now that this is very bullish move right now over here. I especially like how we are hugging from the bottom side towards the upside. I like this. I like this. Bullish engulfing candle on a 1 hourly time frame, hugging the moving averages up here. Maybe we're gonna get the drop down, but it looks fine, because out of rising wedge we're gonna go down, no problem. Went down, bounced right back up to the moving averages, hugging the moving averages. What I think right now it's happening, I mean, today's Sunday, so we are gonna get weekly close, and I think they want to close a weekly close around certain levels. If you go to the weekly close, I think they want to close it around here. I don't think they want to be up at 75, something like that. Maybe that's for next week, because right now we are just going kind of sideways and moving towards this moving average. Let's see down here on the Bitcoin chart. This is actually not correcting that much. Unfortunately, it's not correcting that much. They're just kind of slowly pushing it, towards downside, but the best case scenario is something like this up here, where it goes straight down to the 0 line. But right now we are not going to 0. We can just kind of go something like this up here. Maybe we're gonna go and then get crashed down. So pump up here and then it crashes down to the moving averages, right? But right now it's kind of it's just kind of going slowly towards the upside. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll see how this actually works out, but I think they just want to close it somewhere up here. Let's see how the daily looks. Daily looks fine. I mean, we best case scenario we close above the 10 moving average up here, of course, and continue towards upside. Maybe if you drop down up here, it looks like having a hard time up here, so if you drop down here and close somewhere down here, I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen. Maybe it's some kind of pump. We're gonna see. But I don't see many patterns up here. Short-term patterns, they played out. That's nice. Short-term pattern. Oh, look at the pump. Look at the pumps. Look at the pump. 0.09%, guys. Look at the pump. How much is that? Let's see that. Oh, 0.29%, guys. Going to the moon. Well done. 0.29%. Nice. The pump. The pump, guys. The pump. Do you like the pump? How much is this now? 0.30% pump. Yeah, just a couple more of these, and you got a 4%. It's looking good, guys, looking good. People don't want to believe me, I tell them, it's the bottom. No, it's not the bottom, we're going down. How far down are we going? We're going down to 58k. Everybody thinks we're going down to 58k, guys. Everybody thinks, we're gonna drop down to 58k. Everybody. Everybody said like their buys are down here. They want to buy. Somebody said it maybe at 29k. All of these people down here, guys, all of these people, as soon as we start, you know, going towards the upside, all of these guys down here is gonna FOMO in. This is gonna be FOMO. FOMO people. FOMO people. Okay, this is FOMO people. So FOMO people that has the buys down there will FOMO in at you know, 68k. Weekly looks a bit extended from 20 moving average to me. Let's go a little bit back. Let's go to this chart over here. Let's look at a weekly, an extension to the 20 moving average. Let's see this extension to the 20 moving average down here. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. In a pump towards the upside, so we can analyze what happened, you know, during this part up here. What we extend or not? You can see here we started down here at the bottom, and then we start, you know, going towards the upside. You can see here this actually, you know, started climbing. So even this move towards downside just continue climb up, and then this up here. So, you know, maybe we're gonna do something like this up here, right? And then continue climbing, because the price is not coming back down to the 20 moving average. We are not, you know, riding the 20 moving average to 100k. We are extending, you know, this is the 20 moving average, but when price starts moving up, it should be extended, and it should keeping the extension towards the upside, right? So you can see here our extension is climbing towards the upside right now. Extension is climbing towards the upside. So this extension over here, it needs to climb towards the upside, towards stop, right? So it's not that it looks like extend, it is an extend, but I'm sorry, I mean, 63k is not the bottom, is not buying the bottom, you know, buying the bottom is down here and down here, right? 50 moving average. But right now we are in a move towards upside, and you know, these moving averages will be, you know, chasing us towards upside, right? So at least that's the plan, right? At least that's the plan. So I don't see any kind of, I know that we are little, you know, extend, but it doesn't mean that, you know, you're gonna get the chance to buy back on the 20 moving average. Doesn't mean that we have to go down, you know, hit the 20 moving average to go back up again or something like that. This can just continue going towards the upside, and the moving averages will, you know, try to, you know, racing, you know, catching to us. Let's see how this actually looked before. I wish there was a, you know, more speeds on this. You can see here how, like moving averages starts, you know, try to catch up the price, but price just kind of escapes the moving averages. Although you are extended and you get some kind of pullbacks, the price just like, nope, I'm just going, and then the moving averages, you know, try to keep up with the price going towards upside. You know, and eventually at some kind of top you get to these you know, these moves towards towards moving averages. But during the move, you don't go back all the time. You don't go all the time. Also, especially on the weekly, this 10 moving average, maybe we get close to 10 moving average somewhere up here, right? And but you know, for most part, the 20 moving average just doesn't get hit. Let's see back here. This was a different scenario over here in 2017. You know, this was a slow run up, this was the fast run up, and during the fast run up, if you look, technically we're only just hugging the 10 moving average, 10 moving average, 10 moving average, 10 moving average. These 20 moving averages down here, these are rare occasions, you know, some kind of liquidations dump, some kind of, you know, get people out of the market dumps. But for the most part, you just don't get you don't get to hit 20 moving average. So right now, if we are supposed to start, you know, running towards the upside, you are not getting hits on the 20 moving average. The 20 and the 50 moving averages got bye bye. When everyone is calling it, we know it does the opposite. Yeah, that's time for Dodge Daddy. I don't think it's time for Dodge Daddy, you know. 0.30%, man. 0.30% is a little, you know. This is 4-hourly time frame. 4-hourly time frame closing in at 2 hours, and you can see over here it is trying to close above the 10 and 20 moving average up here. So it does look nice, guys. I'm sorry, it looks nice. Unfortunately, if you don't like that, that's your thing. To me, it looks nice. It looks nice down here, very nice. And let's see 1 hourly up here. Yeah, it is trying to get up. You know, still 18 minutes left. You know, even if it closes down here, it does look nice. This formation lasts 3 weeks. on a weekly looks like a precursor to big pump. It doesn't curve down, but curves only slowly up, like it wants to go parabolic. Yeah, it wants to go parabolic. I read somewhere, yeah, there was on Twitter, let's go to Twitter, there was a guy saying, I don't know if I can find the tweet again, but yeah, because CoinSkid, he retweeted something from that. He retweeted something. Let's see here. Down here. I don't remember where that was. No, it wasn't him. I don't remember where I saw it. I mean, it's a long time ago. I don't know. Some guy said there is no way we are hitting 90k this year. Actually, I think I said something to his tweet. Let me just see over here. Did I say something to his tweet? Unpopular, likely no. I'm buying at 16k. This nah, I don't remember. Anyways, there was this guy saying on Twitter that, you know, there is no way we are hitting 90k this year within next 2 months. And I said, and I don't think I said anything, but, you know, I thought, like, once this starts going towards the upside, guys, once it starts going, you know, parabolic, this is gonna go so fast you cannot even blink. You know, it's gonna be you know, people, it's gonna go so fast towards the upside. People are gonna think it's gonna go to you know, 1 million with this speed, and then it's gonna, you know, stop at certain level and you know, get everybody, you know, wrecked. But it's gonna go fast. It's because oftentimes when people look at a chart, right? Oftentimes when people look at a chart, you know, and they don't know, right? So over here, you look at the chart. You know, and think, yeah, this is gonna go towards upside. Like slowly, it's gonna climb up here, and it's gonna maybe faster up here. You know, maybe up here and fast. You know, slowly climb up to some kind of. Actually, this. Actually, this is. But yeah, but you see my lines and see how fast it went. So this is what people think usually. It's gonna slowly climb towards the upside and get in some kind of parabolic move. But when it starts going up, it just explodes towards the upside, right? And it's gonna explode towards the upside again, guys. It's gonna explode towards the upside. Nicholas Merton said, yeah, that's right, Nicholas Merton, that guy, the Dash guy said that, Dash. And I cannot believe that he said that, because that guy, Nicholas Merton, I like that you know who said it. He said, this guy, and he said, hate to say it, but 100% confident we won't see Bitcoin hitting 100k by the end of this year. Could it happen in Q1? Sure. Could it happen in Q2? Easily. For Bit to reach 100k, it had to add $661 billion in market cap, equivalent of the 40 months of gains. Bet is on. When it starts, you know, it's only 40k, guys. It's only 40k up to 100k, guys. It's only 40k up to 100k. And you got something like this up here. 40k. Where is January? It's only 40k, and we gotta, you know, get up to 100k. It doesn't look that much. This is the move, guys. This is the move. Even with this move towards the upside up here, we are, you know, right now, even if we continue up here, we are at 60k. But this is right now going faster. This is right now going faster towards the upside. So we are definitely, if you know, if this bottom holds up here right now, and we bounce off of this is a trend line, guys. This is a trend line, right? This is a trend line. This is a trend line, because if we get a bottom down here, if you don't go down to some kind of lower levels, if you just continue up here, this is gonna create a new pivot point up here, and this pivot point creates this trend line, and you can see how nicely this trend line actually plays out towards the upside, right? Towards the upside up here, right? So we are hitting 100k by December, you know, by end of December. If this is the bottom right over here, the way we are right now, I know maybe you should zoom in a little bit. If this is the bottom right over here, this is 100k, this is, you know, the 30th of December, 31st of December, right? If this is the bottom and we start, you know, increasing the speed up here, this is gonna create a pivot point. We can draw the very nice trend line up here. Look at, I mean, the line is actually pretty nice, guys. I mean, I could not, you know, draw it any nicer. We're gonna climb, you know, this, you know, at least as fast up here, if not even faster towards the upside, guys. Maybe gonna go someplace and then, you know, go total parabolic up here and then, you know, have some kind of blow off top. Maybe. But, you know, things is happening, guys. Things is happening. MS, glad that you noticed, you know, that Nicholas Merton said that. So I'm definitely seeing that we can hit 100k. So I don't know where he gets his stuff from, you know, Nicholas Merton. But this guy, I don't know if you know who this guy is. He's on YouTube. He's called Dash something. Data Dash, this guy. So he got like 480k subs, but this guy had like almost 300 subs, 200, 300 subs in the bear market. When every other YouTuber was having like 70, 80, and somebody's having 100k, this guy was big shot because in you know, prior to 2017, you know, he was doing YouTube videos, so he grew you know, big quick. But I think he does mostly, I mean, he was doing analysis and stuff like that, but, you know, I think he's more, you know, on the fundamental side of stuff. So he's not really my cup of tea, so I don't watch him anymore. But, you know, I definitely see some kind of 100k up here. I definitely see some kind of 100k. Nice, nice. 230 votes. Is Bitcoin at the bottom? 63% say yes. No way, we're going to 58k, 37%. I might be changing some hearts on this, so that's good. So this is good, this looks nice. Let's see how the 1 hour is working right now. Still 10 minutes to the close. You know, it's gonna be nice close. Now the 4 hourly, you know, got a lot of time. We can check out the 2 hourly, you know, because 2 hourly is closing soon. So, you know, we can see that 2 hourly is getting exactly here at the resistance. You know, if we push it a little bit back up on 2 hours, it's gonna look nice, you know, but what's that? By the way, TF Fans Club members, what you wanna watch right now? What altcoins are we gonna look at? What altcoins are we gonna look at right now? What's good? I know that Anchor popped like 20+% today, and yeah, 30% right now is having a pullback. That's fine. But yes, yeah, this early morning, this line up here, I drew the line and it suddenly pumped like crazy. Now I was expecting some kind of breakout, but you never expect any kind of 20%, you know, 30% breakout out of anything. But you know, Anchor was actually looking quite bullish, and you know, the fact that it's actually, you know, having these big pumps towards the upside, that's very nice. Now you can see here that actually these, I don't know why, but oftentimes, guys, pro tip, how's sand looking? Yeah, we got, and KOTI, yeah, we're gonna check both of these. Look here, guys, look at the volume. So before the pump, this is the pump, guys, this is the pump, this is the pumpkin. But before the pump, there was a lot of you know, buying going on. You see here, so this might be, you know, something that you should be looking at on the charts when you are looking, you know, some kind of waiting for some kind of breakout. Look for volume picking up before the breakout. Because, I mean, this was going down, but, you know, the volume was peaking. I mean, it was going down here, but there was no volume. Going down here, 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 but there is no volume down here, right? But on this stump down here, the volume kind of picked up and suddenly exploded towards the upside, 30%. So, you know, volume can actually be some kind of a precursor to some kind of pumps. I also noticed this on BAT. I'm going to show you BAT right now. I also noticed the same thing on BAT. Where is BAT? Here's BAT. Where's the, yeah, down here, but was it on 1 hour or something like that? No, this one actually started just on the same. This actually started, you know, the breakout started on the. There hasn't been a lot of volume down there. I don't know. I thought I saw the volume, but you know, I'm not seeing the volume right now. Let's check all the coins who have that. Yeah, let's go check all the coins on what are we gonna look at? 4-hourly time frame, something like that. But there's two things we need to look at. We need to look at over here also the volume is kicking. Basic attention token right now, the volume is kicking in. We got some kind of downtrend down here. Let's look at 1-hourly downtrend up here. Maybe, I mean, there is a lot of volume kicking in right now on that. Now you guys, I don't know if you guys know, but you know, I'm already, can you look at B Pro for me, please? Yeah, Alan Burning, 5-month member, man, nice. I'm gonna check it out, We're gonna check all the coins, man. Look at this, look at the volume up here kicking in on basic intention token. A basic intention token is right now looking nice. It's one of these bullish coins. I don't know why, but you know, basic intention token. BAT, you know, do you know what BAT is? This is BAT. This you know, this Brave browser, that's BAT. You know, they are the only ones that have, you know, some kind of, you know, functioning product that, you know, we mortals use. So you know, that's nice. So maybe something's gonna happen here. You know, you can see the, you know, pump up here out of this. You see the downtrend and then pump towards the upside. Right now it's going to something doing, you know, there is definitely some, you know, action going on. So maybe it's getting close to some kind of breakout. Definitely worth noticing, looking at what's gonna happen up here. Look at the volume, man. The volume is going crazy. Maybe it's getting ready. Right? Maybe it's getting ready. Okay, let's start by looking at sand for batch guitar. Batch guitar like metaverse coins. So we're gonna check that out. Let's just go on to the next song. Okay, let's see where's my sand at. Somewhere here. Here says 0.63% right now. The volume is kind of picking up here. You can see here the volume is kind of picking up here and going down with this. So it is, you know, getting this 4 hour. Let's look at a daily. So batch did you know, break out of the downtrend. You know, it had the first big move towards the upside, and there was this some kind of downtrend down here. Let's double check this downtrend on the some other lines. Yeah, it doesn't matter how you draw the lines, it's still I mean there is always this one. Maybe let's look at a 4 hourly. Let's see down here. I was looking at this one, right, and that broke out really nicely. Broke out, retest, pumped up. So right now, when Sand breaks this line up here at 3.2 or something like that, I think that's gonna be magnificent. I think that's gonna, you know, breakout continuation happen. And on the daily time frame, it has a little bit a while to go to that point up there. Let's see how the moving averages are following the price here on the daily time frame. So we managed to get back above the. Let me just go. I don't know why I do this. So we managed to get above the 10 moving average, you know, up here yesterday. We are still over there. I think we're just waiting to go towards the upside and then break to, you know, I'm not saying it's gonna take 3 days, but you know, it can just go tomorrow and just, you know, continue towards the upside. But it is getting ready, you know, definitely for the next move towards the upside. Now the question is only how long it's gonna take before we. I thought I'd click the music, you know. There we go. The question is only how long it's gonna take actually until we break the 3.2. You know, that's the question. But it, you know, Sand looks very nice. You know, I've been watching both Sand and Mana. You know, Mana has had a big, you know, move towards the upside up here. Resistance could not break and went down right now below the moving averages. So maybe it's gonna have a little bit more consolidation. But I think Sand is a better coin than Mana because it just didn't pump so much, you know. Because this thing, man, this thing went crazy. This pumped like 6x or something like that, right? Why is music so weird? So yeah, Sand does look very nice. Sand does look very nice, and I like Sand, man. I like Sand. I think it's it can go. You know, if Bitcoin continues tomorrow as well, like this looks like, you know, it's about to get a continuation towards the upside. It's so close. I think it can go. I don't think this is the top. Let's be honest. You know, I don't think this is the top and we are gonna go this forever and die. I don't think that's gonna happen. I think it's more likely it's just gonna break and continue towards the upside. Now, will it have the same, you know, power up here that will go slowly towards the upside? I don't know how this actually will look at, but I think it looks very bullish. Sand is definitely a bullish coin. Patch guitar, fans, 5-month fans, nice sense, been doing good for me. Yeah, I think it's gonna continue. I think it's gonna continue. KOTI. Let's check out KOTI. What is happening with KOTI? KOTI. Where is my KOTI? Man. The longer down the list you go, the worse the coins you get. KOTI is in a list called coins, so yeah, whatever. No, it's not. Yeah, yeah, that is it. KOTI. So the KOTI, the problem with KOTI, is there a problem with KOTI? Yeah, we had some lines up here and broke on the downside on the lines, so I drew new lines on KOTI up here, and I think these lines are legit. So here's the thing about the lines. Let's see up here. Yeah, so this is the thing. You see this trend line? This is like the weekly trend line from the bottom, top up here right now. See, so right now, technically speaking, when it comes to KOTI, we are sitting on some kind of bottom. Here's the problem with KOTI right now. It doesn't have a clear pattern up here. There is no triangle that can follow that, you know, for the breakout. I mean, maybe there is some kind of line up here, but you know, it's really weak. It is at some kind of bottom. It's sitting on the 10 moving average. It's sitting on this very important resistance support line up here, because you can see, you know, previously that's been you know, holding it as a bullish support, and once we broke the downside, it was acting as a resistance. Then we broke that, you know, towards the upside. Retest, try to go retest, second retest up here. So you know, we have to, you know, eventually, you know, get back above certain levels up here. Let's draw these levels up here, which are important. Let's see up here. Are we above that? We are even above this, you know, all-time high. You can see here how nicely we go down with the wick on the dollar down here. So this is definitely some kind of support area down here between 0.48 to 0.46. You know, if you break that on the downside, if something is wrong, you should not do that, because that, like, right now there are like 3 very important support levels on the weekly time frame. 10 moving average, horizontal support, trend line. Three very, you know, confluence of decent big supports. You don't want to break that on the downside. So right now it looks like it's some kind of bottom. Let's see here. So even you can see here it's climbing the same, but you know, the problem I have, you know, I cannot draw any kind of, you know, pattern on this up here. Maybe it's something like, maybe it's going into some kind of rising wedge up here. You know, these things are hard, man, especially when you got these kind of. This isn't it. This should not be it. Maybe it should be something like this. No, it should not be something like this. It should be more like something like this down here. No, it cannot be this one. Nah. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't know which one is it. This is a trend line, so you know, maybe let's see on the. So scammy. I don't know. Maybe it's some kind of triangle like up here, but you know, I don't like it. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. Let's remove the top line up here, because we broke that. We gotta back, you know, there is one resistance line, and these two, 56 and 63, are a decent resistance line towards the upside. If you get above 56, you are above the, you know, first level. You're also above all the moving averages. So getting above 56 would be very, you know, very bullish for the price. And that means that from 56 you can go really fast to 63. And once you're above 63, all-time high. The problem, you know, with this one is, you know, you don't have any kind of target. I don't have it right now. I haven't double checked that much on this, but you know, I don't know where the target should be towards the upside on KOTI right now. Where should targets be on KOTI right now? Because this is the trend line. Maybe something down here. Oh my god. No, it cannot be this. Let's double check the lines. Oh my god, look at this line as well, man. Oh my god. I mean, if KOTI breaks this to the downside, it's done. Look at the line. Look at the beautiful line, man. Look this. Look this up here. Look how nice. Look these buttons down here. Look this. I mean, and look the confluence. Look at the confluence between this line, the 10 moving average, like the top up here. The confluence is uncanny, guys. The confluence is this is stupidly good. So if this is not the bottom, I don't know what this is, man. I don't know what this is. This has to be some kind of bottom, because if it breaks on downside, it's gone. It's gone. It's definitely gone. Like, there is no recovery out of this, right? But probability right now that this is gonna bounce towards the upside is so huge because of all of these, you know, stellar supports on the downside. Right? Insane supports on the downside. This is the daily time frame, so we just need to jump a little bit up here above 56, and once we are above that, that's gonna go. It's already climbing, you know, the moving averages up here slowly. You can see here, it's gonna come. Yeah, it looks good, man. It looks good. It looks like some kind of bottom, and I think it's just gonna climb. Nice, very nice. Alan Burning, can you look at a B Pro for me, please? Yeah, let's check the B Pro. Qcoin coin. Yeah, everybody likes Qcoin. Ooh, the dumpage, man. The dumpage is legit, man. The dumpage is legit, man. Look at this. But you know, fortunately, it does go in some kind of, you know, some kind of a curvature. Usually, it's either gotta go something like this or go something like this, and bam, you know, towards the upside. It's not often that does, you know, these moves. It goes something like this, you know, and then, you know, it's not often it does that. This it usually goes. Be pro. It usually, you know, goes something like this down here and then towards the upside, right? So let's check B Pro right now and see how it does looks. Yeah, I think it's, you know, this weekly time frame looks very nice. Right now, getting this pullback back down to the 10 and 20 moving average. You can see up here that I don't know why I drew this line like this. You should be, you know, give or take, something like this. You can see right now that this is going back in, you know, it's not out of the triangle yet up here. This is the trend line, this is not the triangle. Triangle should go something up here. I don't know, something like this. I don't think this is the trend line, this because it's too steep. So, you know, something like this up here. Definitely. Let's try to figure it out. But doesn't have anything. You know, I got this up here, but you know, this is nothing. Nah, it doesn't work for me, man. Now let's see here. Nah, too steep. Doesn't work. Maybe. But this is the trend, so you know, you don't want to break the trend on the downside. You don't want to break the trend on the downside. Is this symmetrical? It may be symmetrical. There's a 100 moving average right down here. So this 50 moving average is pushing towards us. This is the weekly time frame. I don't think we're gonna get down to 50 moving average. Right now, you know, we are here, was up, got support here. I think this might be some kind of bottom right now where it might actually, you know, exit towards the upside. Let's go to the daily time frame up here. So this definitely, you know, went towards upside up here, triple four tops up here and going down. I'm gonna bet that there is some kind of divergence up here. Yeah, let's bring this up. So divergence between these two. Here there is no divergence, but you know, between these two next ones there is divergence, and then there is no divergence up here. So there is only one divergence where it pulled back down. Right now there is no divergence, so divergences are, you know, finished right now. It looks like, you know, this is daily, so this last candle is not closed yet. I think we need to change music soon, man. This. Okay, let's change music. Maybe house. No, dubstep. EDM. Okay, let's try this. The downtrend. Where is the downtrend line up here? Let's focus on the small time. Let's small time frames. Let's see here a daily time frame pulling back. That's fine. Weekly pulling back 10 and 20 moving average. You know, there is support up here, so that's nice. Let's see here previous top up here. That's very nice top. Support. So there is a lot of support here. 10-20 moving average, these support lines up here. So maybe we're at some kind of support down here. It would not be nice, you know, dropping even further down below all of this right now over here. So it does look interesting. It does definitely look interesting. So it's gonna be very interesting to see if this actually, you know, bounces towards the upside. So look at the 4-hourly time frame. What you want to see on this move towards the downside, you want to see some kind of trend being broken. Yeah, I would say, yeah, let's say this, because it is over here, towards the upside up there. So look for this breakout out of this blue line, okay? That is the blue line. Look for the breakout out. If it breaks towards the outside, probability is that it's gonna test these moving averages towards the upside up here. If it can get above these moving averages, that's gonna be around 122.7 or something like that. You know, it just might go, you know, even higher than that, you know, and continue towards the upside. Of course, this is the, you know, big line to watch for. This is the, you know, the big line. So, you know, how long this sideways movement is gonna take, I don't know, but this is the big line to watch for. You know, once it breaks out of the line, this stops up here, wicks, you know, it's not actually doing these last wicks nicely, but you know. Once it breaks up here, it's gonna be nice. Right now, it's some kind of downtrend, short-term downtrend. Right now, it's some kind of short-term downtrend. So, you know, but there is a lot of support right down here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the same place. So I'm thinking this might be some kind of bottom where it's gonna, you know, break the downtrend here, this blue line, and continue towards the upside. So that might be it. It looks okay, but you know, it's not, you know, and what we always say on Patreon, you know, if it hasn't broken out, we technically don't know how long it's just gonna, you know, go sideways, you know. It looks fine. Evrim says, can you take a look at RSR and or ALGO? Let's look at RSR at least first and to see how much time we have left. 46 minutes out. By the way, let's go back to Bitcoin for a second up here, see what's happening on Bitcoin. Bam! Hourly closed above the 50 and 10 moving average, right now pumping more. Nice! So it was, you know, right now it's 0.43, sorry, 0.38% towards the upside. Bullish! Kaspersky, Gavejka, pump. Yeah, we know what's up, TLA family knows what's up. We know the market. Looks good, guys, looks good. I'm not gonna call anything just yet, you know, but you know, if this kind of, you know, if look at the bottom, man, on the dollar down here, man, super nice. RSR, where's RSR? Here's RSR. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Yeah, RSR is RSR needs to break out soon, right? But we don't know when yet. You know, it's still above. It's above the 10-20 moving, but then we got this 50 moving average up here. You know, and then you know there is the trend line up here. So when it's gonna actually break out, we don't know. So you know, we are waiting for some kind of, you know, we are waiting for the breakout, and then we're gonna get interested in RSR. But you know, hodling RSR, because you really don't know how long this is gonna take. This is the biggest problem with hodling coins right now. We are in the middle of the bull market, right? And you know, people are hodling, you know, inside the up here. So we don't know if this is gonna take, you know, 1 week, 2 weeks, 5 weeks, how long it's gonna take before it breaks out. So any kind of coin that's broken out of the triangles and stuff like that is a lot better option in my book than this. But right now it's just kind of going sideways. Like, you cannot take anything from this. It's going sideways, it's consolidating. It's been consolidating for a long time. You can see here, and it's neither bullish nor bearish. It's just going sideways. Unfortunately, just going sideways right now. But as soon as it breaks to the upside, nice. We're gonna talk about it. But right now we cannot talk about it. Let's check ALGO as well, since we don't have that many requests. And by the way, guys, I like that we don't have like 2,000 requests, you know, so it's nice. ALGO. Let's check ALGO. Where is ALGO, by the way? At least it's not there. Oh. God damn, where is ALGO? There's ALGO. Yeah, ALGO looks, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green weeks in a row. Is this possible? Is this possible, guys? 5 green weeks in a row. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks in a row in green. It's insane. I know it's not a, I know the price is not, you know, doing 30-40%, but 5 weeks in a row. Can you show me a coin that has, okay, here as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it pumped and back down. So maybe that's gonna do that. Up here, bam, go down. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Support line. Let's remove this one. It doesn't help us that much. Let's see here if we can, you know, this was some kind of line down there, so, you know, and there was this up here line, you know, I don't know if this one, or is this one, I mean, both are in the same place, you know, should we use this one up here, and why should we use this one, or this one down here, it doesn't make much sense. I'm using the wrong one, down here, this one, maybe something like this. Yeah, let's see. Let's assume this is a triangle. Let's go down on the time frame. Let's remove moving averages for now, just so we can draw this very nicely. So this looks like some kind of rounded bottom down here. It went up and then slowly rounding up towards the upside, but you know, it tried to break up here. You can see the break up here. I'm gonna bet there is a volume. There is decent volume in this candle. Yeah, there's decent volume, because I'm not the only one seeing this, guys. I'm not the only one seeing this trend line up here. Yeah, this trend line. It needs to break this trend line, and this is, you know, maybe this line can be drawn a little bit better. There are so many weeks up here, you know, which one are correct ones, right? That's the trick. Maybe something like this, give or take, right? Give or take. We always give and we always take. Something like this, maybe. So let's see the moving averages, how they are supporting the price right now. So we are above the moving average. We are having, you know, a pullback down here, which is nice, no problem, you know. But soon it's gonna break up here again, you know. And as soon as it stays above here, and you know, for 2 candles, 2 days in a row, this might start looking good. So ALGO is getting ready, you know, for a move towards upside. BTC is trying to go up. Ooh, the moves, man, the moves. Told ya. Oh, 0.45. Winning. Nice, very nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, imagine everybody, you know, wanted to buy 58k. Oh, so sorry, man, so sorry. Are you gonna buy 58k? But we are not done yet. We are not done yet. I like to joke around, but you know, there is a lot of resistance here. 200 moving average, 64.5, you know, stuff like that. Let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. 50 moving average up here. So you know, also 2 more hours left. So this can just be, you know, pump before we continue going towards downside. So you know, never say never, but it looks nice. I like it. Look at it on the dollar to the resistance. Where is this resistance? Sorry, this support coming from? Is this daily? It's not daily. Is this weekly? It's not weekly. Is this 4-hourly? Yeah, this is 4-hourly. Yeah, we gotta break this 4-hourly. Yeah, on the dollar. Look at this. How nice is that, man? This is what you get when you know how to do TI, guys. See the line up here. See here, almost on the dollar. Very nice moves. Maybe pump closing day and then pull back. Now I think they're just trying to, you know, close the price, weekly price, around the, you know, 63k area, and then next week I think it's gonna pump. So you know, tomorrow I think already right now, after that's 1 hour and 45 minutes left. So after 1 hour and 45 minutes left, I think it pump. Look at the moves, man. Look at the moves. Bitcoin got the moves. You like the moves? Yeah, Bitcoin's got all the nicest moves, man. All the nicest moves. Nobody got as nice moves as Bitcoin, man. Yeah, weekly, I mean. I don't think they're gonna pull back anywhere. I mean, we had the pullback, you know. Right now it's time to go to the moon. Right now it's time to go to the moon. I don't think we're gonna have any kind of pullback anymore. I think it's done. We hit some kind of button. We are right now climbing up here. We had a pullback up here, a small pullback out of the wedge up here. Right now, you know, we're gonna get above these levels up here. Once we are above these levels, around 64, 7. Once we are above, you know, you can see down here how much support there was. As soon as we are above these levels up here, towards the upside up here, as soon as we get to that point, bam, motion happening. By the way, guys, right now we are gonna let everybody in. You know, we did you know, TFN scalp for 55 minutes, 1 hour. So, you know, we checked some coins. Right now we're gonna let everybody in to chat and be part of the, you know, let them feel how it feels to be a TFN club member, eh? Okay, guys, are you ready? Are you ready to spam the chat? Are you ready? I'm not gonna put it on slow chat. You know, you are welcome to spam the chat as much as you want for the next 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, or 1 hour. You know, and we're gonna look at some other coins as well. Okay, there we go. Go crazy, go crazy. Yo, Mark. Oh man, feels good. Does not feel good right now, yeah? Coming into chat. There we go. SHIB, Bitcoin, Qcoin token. Yeah, Qcoin token looks very, very good. SHIB, please. Link. SHIB. Qcoin token. I don't know, guys, about you, but you know, I've seen, you know, Qcoin is doing some nice things, and Qcoin token might be, you know, a big thing soon. I already told my Patreons that, you know, we need to follow Qcoin token because it's so bullish. Qcoin token is so bullish. Where is Qcoin token right now? Let me find it. Let me find the Qcoin token. There is, okay, KC. It looks so nice, man. Qcoin token looks so nice, going up like it's crazy nice. Qcoin token. Unfortunately, only you can buy it on Qcoin. What do you think of Cadena? I think Cadena, let's see Cadena, because Cadena was closing to end and it broke the trend down on the downside. That's the problem with Cadena. It broke the trend, unfortunately. You can see once something starts going towards the upside, you don't want to break the trend. It increased the trend up here. There's some kind of difference here. And right now broke the trend, so I think it's going to consolidation right now, or a pullback. So, you know, right now we are not really interested in Cadena. We are looking, you know, some kind of pullback. Cadena hit some kind of top, guys. Unfortunately, Cadena hit some kind of top. You can see here it went parabolic. I'm sorry, guys. Cadena went parabolic, and you know it. I'm gonna explain to you right now what's happening with Cadena. So you can see that down here, this line. This is the trend line towards the upside. So bam, 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 climbing towards the upside, and up here, it increases the trend, right? You see, it increased the trend, so you went up here, but over here it also speed increased the trend towards the upside, you know, this is some kind of blow off top. Let's see if there is any divergence up here, because I think there is divergence. Yeah, there is big divergence. So price goes up, you know, the RSI goes down, big divergence. So correction in the books right now. It just, you know, it just went up too fast. You know, I would be looking at this line up here at support. This line, so if it breaks even this line down here, I think it's gonna go in further towards downside. There is some kind of hope here on the small time frame that it might actually, you know, break to the upside here, but it needs to get above this yellow line. You see this yellow line? It needs to get above this yellow line. As long as it's below the yellow line, like, nothing is happening, guys. So we are looking, you know, breakout above the yellow line, and then see what's happening right now. But Cadena, at least for me, the way I look at it right now, it's going to consolidation. It's you know, the pump is done. It needs to chill for a while, you know, and then we'll see. If it gets above the yellow line, you know, full on Cadena again, you know. But right now, you know, we're taking it easy. Range stands $5. XYO broke out. Have a look. XYO Qcoin coin, man. Qcoin coin. it broke out of what? It broke to the downside. Yeah, it broke to the downside. Unfortunately, it broke to the downside, so when moon. It broke to the downside. Unfortunately, this is a 4-hourly time frame, so who cares about a 4-hourly time frame? But you know, even 4-hourly time frame it breaks. So a weekly time frame looks, you know, explosive to the upside. There is nothing you can pull. Big divergence on the daily time frames up here, so correction is in the books. I think it's gonna go back down to some kind of support down here. Where is the support? Support is at something like 20 moving average. So look for this support down here, same level down here, this 20 moving average. You know, I think it might actually go all the way down there as well, because right now maybe not. I mean, hard to say. It is below the moving average. So if it closes below this 10 moving average down here, it just might even have a, you know, more pullback to the downside, because this this option is broken right now. This option unfortunately is broken. You can see up here. First you had this very fast option that got broken, right? And then you had this second, you know, try up here, but you know, that got broken as well. That got broken as well right now. So yeah, I'm looking for more consolidation here before this actually continues towards up. I don't know what this is. Giant cup and handle of BTC daily. Yeah, I just saw that. You know, the moon, the moon. The E-moon, he knows what I'm talking about. Big inverse head and shoulders pattern that you need to know. We don't wanna, let me just show. Oh, I see it, yeah, but it's not finished yet. Nice find, moon, nice find, respect. So which chart are we gonna look at it? Over here, yeah, sure, why not? 1 hourly. So what he is saying, he's seeing, you know, no, yeah, it is this one. Yes, but he's looking on 1 hourly. I mean, sure, it is some kind of inverse cup and handle. I mean, sure, why not? Sure. Okay, man. Okay, let's look at a 4 hourly. So he's saying this, right? Cup and handle. Okay, I can work with that. Definitely. Let's see down here. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, definitely important resistance line to make. We can see that you know, down here support, up here resistance. So this trend line up here, as soon as it's broken, is gonna go ballistic, and you know, we already know that you don't need head and shoulders pattern, but head and shoulders pattern can give us the target, because the trend line itself, that doesn't help you with much, but the patterns, man, the patterns do. The patterns, this inverse head and shoulders pattern can actually, you know, give us some kind of sense of the move. So exactly, something like this, right? And then you got, of course, we're gonna be, you know, we're not gonna use all the way down. You know what? Let's be bullish and use this one down here, and the target up should be something like 68,000, something like that, right? So out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, the target should be around 68,000, give or take, right? But we already know that we are going towards the upside. But as soon as this trend line up here is broken again towards the upside, that's mooning, guys. That's mooning. Beady Buddy algorithm dude here. What's up? Aaron Riederbush. Hi man, how you doing? Aaron, what are you holding? Aaron has been, you know, following my channel for a very long time. You know, commenting, you know, the videos for the algorithm. Thanks, man. I do appreciate it, man. I do appreciate it. What kind of altcoins are you holding, Aaron, man? I'm gonna check your coins, okay? I'm gonna check your coins. XYO, hourly breakout, cup and handle. What? XYO. Cup and handle. I don't see cup and handle. Is this the cup and you don't have to, you know, you don't have to super chat, but is this the cup and handle you're talking about? Is this the one? Just write down in the chat. Is this the cup and handle that you are talking about? Is this what you are seeing? Give me 53k. No, you ain't getting 53k, man. There is no 53. That's a big handle. Yeah, no, I just want to see what he says. Range sense. No, it's not this one. Which one is it, man? This one down here. This over here. Far right. This is a cup and handle. It's too small, man. It's too small. This is not. This is my 30 minutes, something like this. This one. Yes, no, it's not a cup and handle. Here's the thing about cup and handle. I can educate you a little bit on cup and handles. Although it does look like a cup and handle, this is not cup and handle. You see how the handle goes all the way down to the bottom? That's usually not it. When you have a cup and handle, you have something like this. You have something like, you have a cup, and then the handle does not go below a third of the price. It goes back a little bit, maybe give or take, but it does not go down here or down here. It doesn't go all the way down. The handle just goes a little bit down and goes towards the upside again, right? This is not cup and handle. So let me also explain to you a little bit about how these cup and handles are getting created. Here we see some kind of you know, start of this creation. Now unfortunately this could have been cup and handle if it had stopped down here and gone to the upside. This would have been cup and handle, but it failed the handle and right now it's going towards downside. So this is actually a cup and handle failure. And once we went down. So how is this thing happen? Now watch these moving averages. So when you got this price, it starts doing this on the downside, right? And the reason it does this is because it follows these moving averages. So these moving averages starts going towards downside and it's getting pushed by the moving average. But at one point it starts, you know, breaking, you know, getting above the moving averages. So what happens is the price jumps above the moving averages and starts going towards upside. We see it starts going towards the upside, and then what happens is suddenly up here it has a impulsive move towards upside, like over here it has a impulsive move towards the upside and it has to go back down. That's what creates this you know, this pullback, this bullish pullback, and this pullback always goes back down to the moving averages. You see these moving averages, same moving averages that may create this, goes back down to the moving averages. So the handle goes back into the moving averages, and here's the crucial moment. It has to get support on the moving averages, climb back up above the neckline, and then break out. And that's a cup and handle. Unfortunately this isn't cup and handle because, you know, the handle failed. I mean, if it went up here that would be nice, but the handle failed towards downside and this is actually, you know, looks bad. So I hope you learned something about a little bit about cup and handle over there right now, you know, for anybody willing to learn. When is Pump Moon? Pump Moon is on the 20th November, 19th November. Cup and handle is happening on BTC daily time frame. Are you joking? Daily time frame. Oh yeah, exactly. There you go. Abi. Here you go. Cup and handle happening right now. Not this one. Let's use not this one. Let's use this one. I don't know which to use. I need to. Okay, let's use this one. Cup and handle. See, this is cup and handle pattern up here. It's not actually, you know, maybe on the 4 hourly this looks nicer. So you see here, it goes down because it got pushed by moving averages. Then it jumps on the moving averages, and then have impulsive move towards the upside, where it goes down back into the moving averages. And now comes the crucial point. If you break this on the downside, you lose the cup and handle. You lose the handle to downside. That's a bearish move. You don't want to do that. But if you manage to go towards the upside and you break this neckline up here, you break this neckline around 70k towards the upside, you essentially create this cup and handle pattern and go towards the upside. So definitely on Bitcoin, the cup and handle is still in play. It is very nice handle, cup up here. The handle goes down to the moving averages. It's not breaking on the downside, which is actually very good. And as long as right now we need to get above, which level do we have to get above? Here we go. This is the level. Once we break above 69,000, the target after that, out of this cup, and let's use the bottom down here. The target out of this is at 78k. Okay, guys. Abi, nice find, man. Nice find. Thank you for the info. You're welcome, and I hope you're learning something. Yo, Tila, NKN doing really well. Can we have a look, please? It is looking good, but you know, we're not gonna take a look at that. Make later token and I will bite. Yeah, but you and who else? You, your mom, your grandma, and then it stops. Who's gonna... You bite and your mom, you know, pumps it, and then your grandma buys the top. A cup of beer on that. RNDR rate on Hotbit is 488, but 410 on Huobi and CoinMarketCap. What's that? Yeah, different exchanges, you know, trade differently, especially some random coins. XRP, ALGO, and Polkadot, that is my main order. Plus, I'm signed up for class action lawsuit versus this. You're signed up for the class action. XRP, ALGO, Polkadot. I can tell you that XRP, there's a lot of bullishness on XRP right now. Polkadot is bullish, but it's not performing as, you know, as good as we would like it to perform. So, you know, maybe it's a late bloomer. It went out of the triangle. I'm gonna show you. Polkadot, where's Polkadot, man? Too many coins. I got like 100 coins on my list. Polkadot. Where's the Polkadot? You know, and I move them up and down all the time. There's it. So it looks like some kind of bottom down here at 45. That would be very nice if it is at bottom at 45. Let's look at a big picture. Since you are holding coins, you probably want to know what's good about it. The good about it, it is just climbing. Up here we got really excited about up here at 45. You see this line up here, 45. We got really excited about Polkadot because it broke to the upside. So this entire move towards the downside this week right now, it's a back test. So I'm thinking this is just going to continue towards the upside. This is just a back test on the support up here, and it's just going to continue. So right now I think, you know, guys, I think next week is going to be very good for everything right now. I think everything is going to explode. Everything is going to look like legitimately very good. So right now just having a pullback back to this 45 level down here, and after that it's just going to go. That's at least what we are looking at right now. XRP. Wow, XRP is down minus 10%. What's happening, man? No, this is XPR. XRP is down minus 0.27%. But XRP also looks very good. It's just a matter of time before this breaks out. You can see we are at the very edges of the breakout on the weekly time frame. So we had some kind of breakouts on the daily time frame, but not on the weekly time frame. So maybe next week XRP will finally break this very long downtrend down here. Everything is about trends, guys. Everything is about trends, and this big long ass trend down here needs to be broken towards the upside, and we are still not broken on the weekly time frame. So, you know, we got, you know, we were trying to break it, you know, this week, but, you know, got pushed back down again, back to the 116 line down here. So, you know, it doesn't matter how we close up here. Next week I think we can actually, you know, continue going towards the upside. So XRP also looks bullish, and I think a lot of people are not seeing that. That's why I sense a lot of talk about XRP around the town. Ripplebot helped this space shut up like a junkie under a bridge. Tila, it was me. It was you? Sayed Zarey, it was you about what? Sorry, I cannot read the entire chat, but, you know, it was you about what did I say? I don't remember. And the last coin for the TRON is the Polkadot XRP and ALGO, right? What's the ALGO? That Martini guy sees us going down to 62k by morning and it going to 4.5 before moving up. Thoughts? The Martini guy, you know, he does an analysis, what he sees and what he doesn't see, I don't know, but, you know, 62, 63k, it's the ballpark area, you know, and I think we are already at the bottom. I don't think we are going down to 62. It can, but I don't think we are going down to 62k. Nobody's talking about ETC, yeah, because ETC hasn't broken out yet. That's the problem with ETC, you know, we have to wait for the breakout. We have to wait for the move, and then everybody's gonna talk about it. But until the move happens, nobody's actually interested in Ethereum Classic, unfortunately. Okay, let's check the last one, ALGO. This is Algorand, minus 4.77%. Algorand also has nice. Yeah, didn't we check Algorand today? Yeah, I think we checked Algorand. He tried to break out, and then moved back into the moving average. So it is trying to break this line towards the upside. It is getting these nice moves towards the upside slowly. So it's only a matter of time before it actually breaks 2.3. But as soon as it breaks 2.3, it's gonna go towards the upside. It's gonna look good. Algorand is already bullish, so Sir, please look at block top. Yeah, no man. One, I know I said you can spam the chat, but not that way. So, oh sorry man, Basir, I think I clicked on the wrong guy. Sorry, Basit, you got muted. I wasn't trying to mute you. I clicked on the wrong guy, but it's only 300 seconds, so it's cool. It's only 300 seconds, so it's cool, right? BTC, 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 BTC. Oh, that's nice moves. That's nice moves. People don't believe me when I say it's a bottom. Look here, guys. Look here. Let's go to the Twitter. Where is the Twitter? Unpopular opinion. This is the bottom. 1 hour ago. This was actually more than 1 hour ago, but whatever. Who's counting? I'm not typing, I'm driving passenger bus, sir. I was typing on my break. You smooth operate. It was short in the morning, but very clear spoken. Thanks for support. Nadim is Nadim changed his name, man. That must mean it is the bottom. It is, and it will be, but not yet. No, it is the bottom. Deal with it. It is the bottom. Guys, go and up. Like the tweet, guys. Like the tweet. Notifications. Also, see if you're not following me on Twitter, man, I put out very nice life-changing advice. Wife-changing advice. How likely is it that we go down to 58k when everybody is calling for 58k and are waiting on the sidelines to buy there? You really think manipulators will allow you to buy the bottom? Or is it more likely that they will push up price so fast you will have no other chance but to FOMO in? Guys, I think you will FOMO in. Can you give your thoughts on TRUBIT protocol? I bought a bag of TRUBIT and it's not doing anything. It's standing still. But me and you are probably following the same guy that shilled the TRUBIT, so we get what we deserve, buying when some YouTuber shills something, we buy that and then we stuck with that. What are your thoughts on super cycle? So I don't have any thoughts about super cycle, long-term predictions is not my thing. We are not going to 58, we will hit around 55. 55 is also a support, like if we go down below 60, like 58k is more or less given, and then it's only question whether 58 or 55 is gonna hold. If 55 holds, you got your bragging rights. If 58 holds, I got my bragging rights to somebody else. And if 63 holds, I got my bragging rights. So there's that. Wife-changing advice. What happens when Bitcoin closes weekly here? Nothing, man, nothing. It looks nice. I think they actually wants to close it around these levels, just to wait a little bit before pumping tomorrow in next week. There will be short hard downward week to 55. I don't know how you know that, but I would really like to know how you figure that out, because I don't see it. I don't see it. You really think we're gonna go down there where all the buys are? Because all the buys are sitting around 58k. Some very optimistic people are having, I'm betting Crypto Vulture. I'm betting you have a nice buy order down at 55k. And you're not the only one. A lot of people have buy orders at 55k, 58k, maybe a little bit above 50, maybe some 59, just so they can get in. But all of these people are gonna FOMO in around 70k. No, yeah, 60, 67, 68k. Everybody from 58 and 55 levels, hopium guys, are gonna, FOMO in on at 68. Only people that should be afraid are people on leverage. Spot accounts sleep well. Yeah, spot accounts don't have no problem, man. Spot accounts are like nice, cozy. See you all under the 56k. You guys so bearish. How can you be bearish? Like, you gotta give me something. You gotta give me something and say like why you are. Is Bitcoin at the bottom? 66% say yeah, but that's because, you know, most of the people are in my chat and know what's happening. And no way we're going to 58k, 33% not happening. Smart money waiting in stable coins, they do not buy on these levels. Dude, of course. They already bought. This is accumulation phase. Last chance to buy room before it lifts off. Okay, new pull. Yes, of course. Will do. Give me a second. There we go. New poll. We like polls. I will come on chat 2611. Somebody has the screen cap curiosity comment 2611 2021 see you all under 56k. Trust me, curiosity, you gotta screen cap this, and next time I see you I want you to post that screen cap. Why is NKN so bullish? I don't know, but you know, price goes up. XCH. What is this? Huobi, Qcoin, CHIA network. Why is it going down? This is not good. Bleed, pump, bleed, not good, man. If it breaks this level down here, I don't care what this is. If it goes below these moving averages on downside, it's bad. If it somehow gets up, it's good. There is some kind of trend line up here that needs to break, you know, for have any kind of hopium towards the upside. Is it breaking? Like, it looks like it's breaking right now, you know, so there might be something there. Maybe there is some kind of hopium, you know, but on daily time frame it needs to keep these levels. It's at the bottom, but if it goes down, it's bad, okay? It cannot go down. If it goes down, something is wrong, man. Something is wrong. And the next day, if it doesn't come right back up again, something is very, very wrong. So, you know, but this looks like it just bled to the downside. Some pump down here, and right now it's gonna continue to the downside. Do you think that Luna will boom? Yeah, Luna will boom. Luna is in the rising wedge, and rising wedge is when they break to the upside, they go parabolic. So Luna is waiting to go parabolic. It just slowly climbing towards the upside. So Luna is definitely one of these coins that are gonna just explode eventually. Where is Luna? Let me show you Luna. There is Luna. So Luna is right now in some kind of rising wedge. You can see the rising wedge up here. And as soon as Luna break to the upside up here, it's gonna go parabolic, right? So Luna is definitely good, but you know, it can take a little while. Unfortunately. TRON, yeah or nay? I think it's yay for TRON, but you know, it might take a while because it's just about to break out. But when that just about is gonna happen, we don't know. Here is TRON 3.73. Actually, it's guys, TRON is breaking out right now. TRON is breaking out right now, live on stream up here, weekly candle up here, very nice, 3% towards the upside. I mean, this is weekly, 10% on the week, today 3%. It needs to close. If it can close up here above today, I think this might be it, guys. I think this might be it for TRON. Yeah, TRON is breaking out, guys. TRON is breaking out like in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of, you know, of red candle. But we're gonna see. I mean, it tried to do it over here as well. This is the second try. Oh man, look at this. It's holding the resistance right over here. It's just holding up here, man. It looks very good. TRON looks very good. Maybe the breakout is happening, but you know, The breakout is not confirmed until it actually closes up here and you know, does something now up here, you know, that's what we're waiting for. But you know, it might be the first, you know, baby step of the breakout. It might be the first baby step of breakout. Coolio many, if love to see 0.17 on TRON. 0.17, yeah, maybe we're gonna see that. But you know, these are the first baby steps of the breakout, so you know, we're gonna see how this actually goes. What short-term targets for NKN, bro? Okay, let's check NKN for a second. Do you know when I heard about NKN? A long time ago. I heard about NKN when I'm gonna show you. I heard about NKN when that guy became. Where is it? There was this guy that became. I heard about NKM so long ago. It was so long ago. About, let's see here, about team and advisors, yeah. When I'm gonna show you the guy. This guy, Steven Wolfram. Who knows who Steven Wolfram is, guys? Later in March 2019, I heard about NKM in March 2019. When Steven Wolfram, founder of the CEO of Wolfram Research, invested a lot of new kind of space as an advisor. When this guy became advisor to the NKN, I heard about NKN. Who knows who Steven Wolfram is? Wolf search or something like that. I think. I think this is the one. No, it's not this one. This one, Wolfram. He's got this search engine, Wolfram Alpha search engine, right? So when Steven Wolfram became advisor to the NKN in March 2019, I heard about it, but you know, I didn't actually think this is gonna perform. I thought it was like, you know, because a lot of advisors joining the team and leaving the team, but he joined the team, and I knew about Wolfram Alpha. It's like, you know, what's 2 + 2? You know, it gives you the answer. 2 + 2 4. It also gives, you know, all kinds of, you know, interesting, you know, mathematical, you know, stuffs, and you know, I don't use it, but you know, I know about it. He's a computer science mogul, yeah. So when he became, you know, on the team on NKN, this shit got me through college. Lol, I love Wolfram, yeah. So I know a lot of people know about NKN, so that's the first time I heard about it, but I didn't actually think that, you know, NKN would go anywhere, you know, just because some, you know, big shot is joining some kind of company, because there are a lot of big shots in a lot of Wolfram Alpha, yeah. There's a lot of big shots in a lot of companies, right? But you know, it doesn't mean that, you know, the token will go anywhere, right? But NKM does look like legitimately is right now very bullish. Let's see where NKN is on my charts up here. I just have to find, because I got like 100 coins and I got a lot of lists, right? Sections on the coins, and let's put a symbol up here. It takes me like half an hour just to find the goddamn coin. There is it, above moving edge, yeah. So here you go. I already got some kind of very nice important lines up here for this 75. 96, this one is already broken right now. We're down here, we broke 75, 96, those are some targets for it. But you know, March 2019, it's back down here. I mean, if I had bought this, you know, when I heard about it, you know, that'd be like 60x or something like that, right to the top. But who knew? It's a pump and dump coin, bro. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but if it's pump and dump coin, I mean, it's not dumping that much. I mean, it's not dumping that much, you know. It's not dumping that much. So if it's pumping up, it's not very good pumping up because it's not dumping that much. What do you want to know about Shiba? What do you want to know about Shiba Inu? What do you want to know about Shiba Inu? It's not doing anything. It's still in downtrend. Oh, it's not doing very much. It's still in a downtrend. Shiba Inu is still in a downtrend. When Shiba Inu decides to, you know, go towards the upside, we're gonna talk about it. But right now, it's still in downtrend. And unfortunately, you know, sometimes it looks good, but then, you know, then it's like, nope, not today. Pump coming maybe soon. I don't know. I don't think it will die. I don't think, you know, this looks like, you know, oh my god, look at this, man. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh man. Oh. Oh. That's nice. Oh. That's nice. You like that? You like the line, guys? If you like the line, smash the like button. Like now, that's nice, man. So if you break this on the downside, that's gonna be bad. Stuff happens. Things break to the downside. Resistance up here. Yeah, something's gonna happen soon with Shiba Inu. I think maybe next week. Very soon something's gonna happen. When I say something's gonna happen, I don't mean towards the upside, but it can be to the downside as well. But you know, very important support down here. You break this support to the downside, it looks bad. It looks bad. That's nice. IDEX market someone. SHIB is in Dogecoin territory. Unfortunately for this investor, it'll be stuck there. Nice pump today, 1.65%. I don't know if that's nice, but you know. $70K end of week, probably. Okay, guys, we did a lot of coins. Thanks you for stopping by. Hello there, hi Pilani, you came just at time for the ending of the show. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Check out the links down below for the Patreon if you want to see all of the altcoins that we do on Patreon. You know, join the Telegram chat, join the family. Thanks for hitting the like button. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for being here. It's been fun. It's been fun. Tomorrow, maybe we're gonna do another TFN Stubs live stream, so you're gonna see that. Guys, take care. I think Bitcoin is doing fine. We're gonna see, you know, how fine it's doing. You know, it's still not out of the dump. You know, it still has a little bit while to go towards the upside. But if this 4 hourly can close above 10 and 20 moving average up here, even above the 50 moving average, this kind of does not look that promising up here. This week towards the upside. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. This still isn't done, guys. This still isn't done. This can definitely still, you know, turn around and break, go towards downside. Now, if we are going to go down to the 58K, we gotta break this support down here. Now this support is like, you know, stellar support, should not break. Now if this breaks, something is wrong, you're going down to 60K and then maybe 58K. But it looks like this support held a lot of times, you know, so I don't see any reason why we should go down here and test again. More likely is a move towards the upside, and once we get above the upside, I think, you know, it's like 68K or something like that. But right now, you know, it's weekly time frame. We're gonna look for some kind of close on the weekly time frame towards the upside and stuff like that, right? So yeah, that's that. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. Hope you do stop by tomorrow morning, 9 AM Central European time. We do Bitcoin daily every single morning, so you stop by, check out the morning show, see what's happening with Bitcoin. Tomorrow morning show is gonna be very interesting because it's a weekly close, and Monday morning is gonna be very excited to see where we close, what's happening with altcoins, how much is the pumping and stuff like that. 63 possible bottom, 63 possible bottom for BTC. Yeah, we already called the bottom right now, so you know, it only depends if it's gonna hold or not. 63.5, yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it. Hit the like button on the way out. If you have not hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed, check out the links down below. And that's that, guys. That's that. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.